Watch it again.
And a RKO. Oh my God!
And his name is John C.
Every man for himself. KO. There's Rollins with the pedigree. Oh, what a knee.
His name is John C.
Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker.
Cena delivering it.
The finishing touches on this match.
Cena delivering it.
But Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. Monday, every man for himself. Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. And Roman Reigns. KO by Orton. Unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker. I threw someone to the side.
Stop!
Good job. Nice work, kitties. Yay, that's amazing.
Oh, goodness. That's your kitty? Oh, he's so soft. Gentle hugs. Good job, buddy.
No, sir! We do not climb the table. That's a rule. And no scratching couch, okay? That is naughty. Don't give me that look. Mama says, no, sir. You listen to me. You can't climb the table. It's danger. You understand? No talking back. Feet stay on floor. Feet on floor. Or no snacks. Yeah, what were you for? Look at these. Up.
Good job.
Down. They're down yet. Whoa, roll over.
They're doing it.
Yay. Sit up.